ATM Cash Advance Instant Money. So this is the popular app from ATM.com. Looking for a quick cash advance to instant money to handle emergencies and avoid overdraft fees? With ATM Instant Cash, you can get a cash advance fast with approval, no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. Think of it as your instant payday cash advance option, helping you stay afloat when money is tight so you don't have to borrow money from your friends. Plus, you can earn extra cash and get paid to answer surveys, play games, and more. So eligibility is based on review and approval. Approvals typically take minutes, so times may vary. ATM.com helps you earn money from your data, playing games, answering paid surveys, sharing your location, cashback, and bonus reward offers, while also providing personal finance budgeting tools and quick access to cash when you need it most. So over 500 verified partners that can help you save money on your monthly expenses. Play and earn. Users earning up to $150 a month by playing games found on ATM. Can range from $3 up to $250. There are over 500 offers for users to earn from. Earn from $1 to $500, and then you can just tap get, double check to install it. And then paid surveys, then you can just get that, and then you can just open it up. Real cash rewards, instant cash, budget smarter, and then you can just go and sign in. You can also just sign in with Apple, Google. Just create your account in here. So just enter your phone, and that's just how you get started.